Hey YouTube, 321 Skater Dude here. Today, I got something from Amazon. It came, the new Nerf Stampede. Yep, I got it. As you can see, this is the front of the box. Nerf Stampede. Dots. And this is the back of the box. Wait, actually, okay, the one I just showed you was the back. Bit of a fail, but oh well. This is the front of the box. End Strike Nerf Stampede. Okay, let's crack on and open it. A pen knife here. Let's open it. There it is. This is what it looks like if you buy it. Once you have just bought it, you haven't unlocked it yet. Right, I'll show you what there is. I thought it was just for cutting, but you have to untie this. Wait. You have one plain old regular clip. You also have three, yes I said it, 3 18 dart mats. Mats, if you put any more it could break, okay? Mats clips. Oops. Right. Oh well. I'm gonna go this way. Aha! And this, what I'm just unthreading now, is the shield, which goes on the top of the tactical rail, which I'll show you in a minute later in the review. And you have, I think this is 54 darts in here. I said that because it says 60 darts in the package, because you have an extra 6 darts here. Put that down there. Oh, next, I forgot to move into this. You have your bipod! Woo! I think it's the most coolest thing about the gun, except for it's fully unlockable. basically it folds in like that, and to get it back out again, you just like clip it onto the gun. And I'll show you how to get it on view. And you just push this little button here. There you have it. The Bible. Next we have. Oh, there's only one thing, which is the last thing. You have. Actually, I'll try and solve this right. Right, it doesn't work there. There's a lot and a lot. Look, lots and lots of those. Sorry guys, it's just taking quite a while. Sorry guys, I'm just taking it off the table. I'll just get some, guys, I'm just gonna get some scissors because it's really tricky. I don't know how tricky it is. I'm doing it. As you can see, it's a bit, you know, windy. Like all Cyprus weather is. Actually, it's not really windy in Cyprus. It's actually quite warm. That's an easy way to do it. See, look, scissors work perfect. Da 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 da! Here it is! The new, the awesomely cool nerf stampede! So, this is my unboxing of my new nerf stampede. Later on, I'll do a review. Stay tuned.